Coming to you live from our studios here at MS24. Welcome to MS Breaks. My name is Kwabena Amir. Coming up, President Akufo-Addo commissions newly retrofitted Pone Power Station. Also coming up, former CEO of GEPA, Gifty Clenham, calls for value addition to Ghana's traditional export commodities. Now to the details. President Akufo-Addo has commissioned the newly retrofitted Pone Power Station in Akuse in the lower Manya-Krobo district of the Eastern region. Now, according to the president, the project is another successful manifestation of government's commitment to guaranteeing the efficiency, sustainability, and reliability of the country's power generation plants. Now, speaking at the commissioning ceremony, the president stressed that government will continue to support renewable energy development, such as hydro, solar, and wind, in order to reduce Ghana's national carbon footprint in the electricity sector.
Power generating station, which is another successful manifestation of my government's commitment to guarantee the efficiency, sustainability, and reliability of our national power generating plants. As some of you may know, the Pone generating station first turned on its turbines in 1982, and since then, its 4 generating units producing 160 megawatts of electricity have contributed significantly to lighting up our homes, empowering the economy not only of Ghana, but also of other countries in West Africa. That is why the conscious, deliberate decision by the Volta River Authority to rehabilitate this power station after some 30 years of operation is highly laudable and should be an example to other state institutions entrusted with public assets. The completion of this project is further proof, if anywhere needed, of the expertise of Ghanaian engineers and technicians and their ability to administer new technologies for the effective management of our power plants. Government will continue with its efforts to support the energy sector so that it can address all the challenges it faces.
Let's do some more stories. Former lawmaker and Chief Executive Officer of the Ghana Export Promotion Authority, Gifty Clenham, has underscored the need to add value to Ghana's traditional export commodities. Now, according to her, this is crucial in reducing unemployment, especially in the northern sector of the country. She also noted that Ghana has the potential to accrue huge revenues from major traditional commodities if value addition and packaging is prioritized. She was speaking to MS Business.
A lot of cereals in the north that can be exported, but we are not developing them. So those are the areas that I think we should look at. And this will solve all this kayaye coming from the north. There are so many things in the north that we can develop. And the land is there. The president is doing the irrigation. We should concentrate on how we can utilize the land, do a lot of product development there, and then we hit the international market.
Now, away from that, let's do some more stories. NASICA, a Ghanaian micro savings platform, has emerged winners of World Bank's Mission Billion Challenge, known as RURI West African Prize Awards. Now, the Mission Billion Challenge asks innovators how government can move effectively facilitate social protection programs that account for precarious informal work. Now, 208 teams from 37 countries, mainly from sub-Saharan Africa, participated in the competition. Now, NASICA is a platform that allows women to access digital wallets and free savings accounts, emerged as the first prize winner, according to a statement from World Bank. NASICA addresses ways to incentivize informal sector enrollment and participation in social insurance programs. As first prize winners, NASICA will be awarded a prize package of worth $150,000, which comprises of cash plus mentorship and support from Google development experts. Well, that's it for MS Breaks. My name is Kwabena Amir. Keep watching MS24 and have a good afternoon.